Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We will share a common mistake people make that can cost you quite a few dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super helpful video to any of you having a Maserati Levante. We're talking about that generation Levante from year 2017 all the way to current year 2025. So, if you want to see how to remove upper engine cover, common mistakes people make when removing it. Never put it face down when you remove it because you're gonna scratch and it looks terribly ugly, guys. Okay, that's what they did to this on driver's nuts. But stay with us, we'll explain how to do that today in this video, step by step. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engines, computers, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we guys do that? To save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making and providing these videos for free. And check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So first step guys, we need to go ahead and open the hood. What do we need to do next? Okay, let's explain now. The cover right here, how it attaches. Okay, this is the upper engine cover. So in order to remove it guys, okay, you have 4 rubber bushings, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Now you have to be very careful how you pull those, and be careful, sometimes they'll come loose off the cover and they can fall underneath and you may lose them. Replacement parts you can get, we've done that before, but you grab usually on the front, not too much to the front, more like on the side, because here you can crack it. So you start, okay, you see that one popped loose, and now towards the back it has another one guys. Check this thing out now. Okay, if it's never been removed, it's going to be quite tight. So just keep that in mind, or if it hasn't been removed for a long time. Same thing on this side, okay? This one came loose. Now, let us show you what we're talking about. Okay, you see those bushings right here? Those are the bushings that we're talking about, guys. Right there. Okay? 4 bushings. They can come off. Sometimes they'll come off, and they attach to this, okay, joints right here. You see that plastic one? 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Now if you lose them guys, I think you see that dodge right here that we have. Let us show you. Okay, the bushings, okay, are the same for the upper cover as well, so you can get them at a better price, because Maserati is made by Stellantis company, which makes Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Maserati, Ferrari, Fiat, multiple vehicles guys. But you see that one came out like that. So that's how we guys remove the upper engine cover on Maserati Levante. For any of you looking how to do that guys, if you want to see anything else, let us know. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.